Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of how to create a traffic ad campaign. So if you want to create a traffic ad campaign, so first of all, you come to your ad manager on the computer, and then you come and click on create ad. Then you select your traffic objective. And now let me make some clarification. You can do either sales or traffic, but the basic difference is traffic, you should be interested in gathering people to go and then at least have some landing page views on your website. Maybe your intention is not directly to make sales. Sometimes you can use the traffic to at least drive at least the traffic objective to drive traffic to your website, just for people to have some, at least for you to create awareness for people to know about your website. Okay, to have some few interactions for the system to detect people visiting the website before you actually go and do a conversion ad campaign. Because when you go straight to do a conversion with that traffic, your advert may not perform. So you can do the conversion some few days and see how it performs, then you take it from there. Okay, so we're doing the traffic. So click on continue. Okay, so from there, you name your traffic ad campaign. Okay, then after that, you click next. At the ad set level, you select website. If your intention is for the people to actually go to your website, then you choose your daily budget. It depends on whatsoever you want. But normally, you can choose from $5 and above, or its equivalent in your local currency. If the currency, your ad account currency is not in USD, check the equivalent of $5. The $5 could just be the beginning. If it does well and you want to increase up, you can do that. Okay, so after that, you go to the start date and the end date. So I'm just making this one for 1 week just to see how it performs. I've done that. Then you go to your audience. If you have a saved audience, you click on use saved audience. If you don't have a saved audience, you create a new audience. So by creating a new audience, you come here and then select the location. Then after you select the location, you select the age group of the people. Then you click on detailed targeting, put detailed targeting expansion on. Detailed targeting helps you to reach people beyond, detailed targeting expansion helps you to reach people beyond your detailed targeting selection when it is likely to improve performance. So you put it on, and because you are going to target some terms, but those terms that you're going to target, if there are people, if Facebook sees other people, the system is able to see that there are other people that you didn't target them, but they are likely to show interest or to patronize your product or your service. If you choose the detailed targeting selection on this one, that which they wrote there, advantage detailed targeting, we also call a detailed targeting expansion. If you expand it or if you check this box, they are going to reach beyond what you selected, and they help you reach more. So after you do all that, you can come and save this audience. Now, the terms that we are going to put in, because I already have a saved audience, I don't want to go through selecting all those audience again. So let me use my saved audience to show you, so that in case you are doing a new audience, you'll be able to add the terms that are relevant to your business. Okay, so I am using a saved audience. So you can come to use saved audience. This is the audience that I want. If you come down, let's say if I were to edit, these are the things, these are the locations, and these are the detailed targeting selection terms. I selected things like bottled water, business marketing, in fact, drinking water, something like drinking water, something like fresh water. These are just to make sure that I get people who are interested in water-related things, so mineral water. So all those people that are interested in water, and are also companies or institutions that will be interested in getting quality drinking water, I've targeted all of them. Then if I want to add any, then I just come here and type, as you can see, water. Then Manila water, for example, is a type of water. So what happens is that if I select them, anyone who is interested in getting that type of water or drinking Manila water will also be interested in buying this water. So you select all the terms, and after that you click on update. Okay, so after you update it, you scroll down. So I am using a save audience. So when you save your audience, next time when you come, you click on the save audience and just choose it. So you come to placement. The placement is where people will see your advert. And if you don't choose the right placement, the advert will show on other placement that are not effective. So you click on manual placement. Don't choose automatic or advantage plus placement. The first one is for those who don't know much about the placement, and they can leverage on the Facebook algorithm to help them to have an advantage in the placement they are going to select. But if you know what you're doing, you shouldn't choose the advantage. Choose the manual. Come here and choose among them, the ones you want. The Messenger is not effective. Hardly do I see an advert on Messenger. So the advert appearing on Messenger is not going to be effective. And let me show you the placement. When we talk about placement, these are the placement of Facebook. We have the Facebook feed. The Facebook feed is when you are on the Facebook homepage. As you scroll down, all the things that you see is what we call the Facebook feed. Okay. Okay. So then you scroll down. You see, there's an advert in the feed. So I have the Facebook feed. We have the video feed. The video feed is when you are in the video section under Facebook Watch. In between, you will see adverts. So those adverts that you see in between are what we call the video feed. Okay. Then from here, you can go to, we have Marketplace. So under Marketplace, some adverts will also appear here. Then we have Facebook Reels. So under the Reels and the stories. So for example, inside Reels like this, sometimes you in between, as you can see an advert in between the Reels. Or sometimes you see an advert below the reel you are watching. It could be below the reel you are watching. It could also be stories. So under stories, if let's say normally you always see your friend's stories, the stories. So as you see stories, those stories that you see, sometimes you'll be scrolling around watching the stories and you will just see an advert that appears. So those adverts are appearing in the stories section. So we have Audience Network. The Audience Network are independent app developers who partner with Facebook to share the advert on their apps. Okay. Now, looking at all that, the most important one are Facebook feed and the Facebook video feed. Those are the most important. The rest are minor platforms, but the Facebook feed is the most important among all of them. So never forget to put the Facebook feed up. Make sure that the Facebook feed is always on. So for the Audience Network, sometimes you try to open a certain app and then you'll be shown an advert before you open the app. Those adverts are what we call the Audience Network on Facebook. Okay. When you scroll down, so for now, we will include Facebook, Instagram, and Audience Network, and then we are going to select more placement under each of them. So under both Facebook and Instagram, we have the feed. So we have Facebook feed, we have the Instagram feed, we have the Facebook Marketplace, we have the video feed, we have the right column. It's not that effective. It normally appears. You see, you will normally see an advert on the right hand side, just like what I'm seeing here. Sometimes it appears on the right. So it is not that effective. So remove the right column. The right column is not it is not effective. The Instagram Explore Home is not effective. Instagram Shop, we can leave the Instagram Shop. Instagram Explore. We go to Stories and Reels. Instagram Stories, Facebook Stories, Messenger Stories. We don't want Messenger Stories. Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. Well, let's leave the Reels because people spend more time on Reels of late. Okay, so in-stream ad for videos and Reels. In-stream ad for videos and Reels. So we have in-stream ads, Facebook in-stream videos, and then we have ads on Facebook Reels. Now, the advert on Facebook Reels is what I just showed. It will show below, as you can see, something like this. So the advert that is here is what we call ads on Reels. Then Facebook in-stream videos. The in-stream videos are the advert that will appear in between videos. As you are watching a video, you normally will see an advert that will pop up and interrupt you. That is the in-stream ads. Okay. Now then you come to search. Under the search is also important. Anyone who is searching for that service, they will see it. So you leave it. Under app and site, you can that's where the audience network is applied. So as you can see, we have audience network, we have native, we have banner, and we have interstitial. We have audience network rewarded videos. Yeah, so all those ones are okay. So we can leave. Once it's a traffic, I will leave it. If it were messenger or WhatsApp related traffic, I won't advise you to choose app and site. That is under the audience network. But once it is a website related, anyone who sees the website anywhere, once there is internet connection, they can click and go to your website to see. Okay, so then if we're done with that, we have to now optimization and delivery. We want to optimize for landing page views because we don't want link clicks. If it is link clicks, we can just get people to go to the site and be clicking on the links, but they are not going to. Most of them will click and they will not even, they will click on the button on Facebook and they won't even wait for the website to open. So we are optimizing for landing page views. If we optimize for landing page views, it means that we are telling Facebook that we want people who will actually land on the page or get to the landing page and view what is there. So that's what we are choosing. We also have cost per result goal, but that one is optional. That is, if you want to bid for your cost per result or your cost per landing page, but that one, the bidding, if you are not an expert who understands what an average cost per result will be for your business, you don't choose the cost per result. Don't choose it. So leave it optional. But if you're someone who understands, for me, I know my average cost per result and how much I spend averagely to get one landing page or to get one message or to get one purchase. So I will know what figure to choose, because when you choose and your figure is below the average, then you won't be getting a lot of you won't get a lot of the goal you are looking for. Facebook allowing the system to take that action. You won't get. Okay, if it is too high, if it is high, they will look for example, if you are bidding for $5 and if let's say it's purchase and your bid for purchase objective is $5, okay, and the average is $4, then Facebook will charge you $4.1. Okay, if you are bidding if your bid is $4 and the average is $4, they will just, or the highest bidder is $4. Okay, so they will charge you that same amount. Okay, but if the highest bidder is higher than that $4, then it means that you are likely not to get the required action taking place. So I will advise that leave it optional. Based on your budget, Facebook should get the highest number of landing page views they can get for your budget, rather than choosing the cost per result goal. Okay. Now, if you are also doing this landing page views, make sure that your pixel is working. If your pixel is not working, it won't help you. So let's check whether the pixel for this the website is working or it's not working. I've set up my events already, but I'm just trying to make sure that it is working. So you can come to the events manager, go to your events manager, under events, you choose the right account, because what you are seeing here is not the right account. That's why they're asking you to connect to data. But the right account, the data is already connected. Okay, so I already have my pixel connected. I have my custom and then standard events created. And if you don't know how to create custom or standard events, you check the link above, follow it to that video. You will learn how to create custom and standard events, okay? So that you can do aggregated events management, so that your advert can run very well. So as you can see, you see under, you see show all events, we have page views, and so I have custom page views and then all that. So let's say I want to show all events, okay? We have page view, we have lead, we have form, submit, click, and then all that. If you come to this place, custom conversions. Okay. So they are saying that my custom page view has not received any activity in the last 18 days. Then my custom purchase hasn't received any activity in the last 18 days. So it means that my custom conversions are not active. So what I have to do is I have to manage, I have to edit them, make sure that they are active before. If not, then at the end of the day, my advert is not going to run effectively as I want it. So I have to click on for the page view, I have to click on manage. What URL am I tracking for page view? I have to check all that. So the URL I'm tracking for page view is this. Page view is this. Okay. So let me copy it and then check. So that is the site. Let me just put it here. Okay. Okay. So there is a little problem, but I have to work to make sure that it is resolved. This is actually what I'm trying to track. This is what I am trying to track. Okay, so make sure that your pixel is active. And after that, you come here and optimize for landing page views. You click next. And then you get to the ad level. At the ad level, you can choose at the ad creative, you choose we have two types. We have create ad, we have use existing posts and use creative hub mockup. So use create ad. Then you come, if you are already having, if you have a catalog that is connected, you can automatically choose the catalog. Here, I don't have a catalog connected. That's why that option is blurred out. So you can come to single image of video, then click on add media, add image. This is the image I'm using. Okay, so you can put all optimizations on so that it can optimize your advert for different devices so that the viewing will be, at least, it will be more smartphone friendly. Okay, so after that, come and choose your primary text. Actually, the preview is supposed to show. So let me load it and see exactly what is the problem, because the preview is not showing. Okay, so it's like you're telling me I didn't select a Facebook page. So let me come here. Okay, good. So then you add your primary text. I've added a primary text. I don't want to add a call extension. The call extension is if you want that after them go to your website, they can, if you want to also extend that, some can go to your website and some can also call you. But I don't want them to go to my web there. I don't want them to call. I want all of them to go to the website. So you put the website URL here, the landing page URL, and this is the URL of the landing page. Okay, this is the URL. So you paste it. Then, if you are sure everything is fine, make sure your pixel is active. If the pixel is not active, at the end of the day, the traffic is not going to be tracked on your website, and then you'll be running the advert and not getting any significant results. So if you do all that, you can click on publish. When you publish, you are done with your traffic campaign and you can monitor the results as it goes. So this is exactly what you need to do in order to monitor, in order to run a traffic ad campaign. And so when you publish the advert, for example, you have to check the results, the cost per link click, how many link clicks you are getting. Make sure that at least in the first week, you are able to get about 50 link clicks. And if there is anything wrong, you should be able to track to perfect it or to correct it so that you can tailor it to perform the way you want it. And in about 2 weeks, you can run it as a conversion ad campaign, because by then you would have generated enough landing page views so that you can depend on that, create a lookalike audience, and then create at least a similar audience, people who are similar to that audience, who have landed on the page, and you can get at least a significant conversion. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. I'm always doing videos like this that will help you in your digital marketing journey. Okay, so see you in the next video, and bye-bye.